Kea is my 4-year-old. She's going to be 4. My 4-year-old daughter, and she's here since June 2014. For every parent, the child is the most precious gift that God has given, and when you hand it over to someone else, apart from your own family, it's a very difficult decision to make. The trust part, and I mean, you don't know this new place and how things are going to be. So when I got her here the first day, I met the director of this place and even Sudha. I was quite comfortable in their approach and how they take care of the child and everything. Basically, it's a proper daycare. I had already kept her somewhere else. It was like a daycare at home. So when she used to come back from there, she used to be very quiet. So I used to be really concerned what exactly goes on over there, whether she is fed properly, whether she is comfortable, whether she's beaten. I mean, that's the main concern any parent would have. So when I got her here, it was like a proper daycare. They had proper staff, adequate staff, I would say. It's not that 1 or 2 people are looking after so many children. So I was comfortable with that part. And the most important part was they said they have CCTV footage. So I thought that maybe in the first month I will not go for it. Maybe if there are any changes in her behavior, so the subsequent months I would go. But I never felt the need for going for that additional CCTV footage, because you can make out from your child the entire day what she has done by her face when she sees her, and she's quite comfortable here. So that was one thing that I never went for the footage. But that was the only thing that the first day when I got her here, I was comfortable. Okay, maybe the footage is there. Even the people here would be concerned that anytime I would go for it and I would know what exactly is happening here. So over the months, she has been comfortable by her very behavior. That one day if she is ill, she doesn't cry for going to school, but she definitely cries that she is not able to come to daycare. So, I mean, you could get to know from your child. You need not go for any footage to know how the place runs and how they take care of your child. So I'm very comfortable here. Even 2-3 parents, when they have met me on the way, asked about this place, I have always given positive feedback, and I appreciate the hard work, the dedication and the commitment they give to all the children here.